Welcome to CSL TV, but the Houston cops looking for a failed steak thief. Now, you guys can see this stupid motherfucker thought he can just go in the store and steal some motherfucking steaks. Now, you can look at the video he captured. Let me get out the way. Now, you got the security guard and the employee, and all you know is he tried to steal them not once, but then they took it from him, put him down, and then he tried to take them again. So as I always tell y'all, be safe, watch your surroundings, because we filled with a world of stupid ass people, and you never know what their agenda might be for the day.